Protect your BMW R1200's valve covers with durable and functional Sw-Motech 07.709.10000.S cylinder guards. These are designed for optimal protection, and it's going to combine style and reliability to safeguard your bike from any stone chips, falls, or damage that you may sustain. You can find these at accessoryinternational.com. Now the main features of these Sw-Motech guards, they are crafted from high quality aluminum, and they're going to include laser cut mounting brackets and CNC milled slider pads for maximum strength and precision. The integrated rubber dampening absorbs shocks and is going to offer you an additional layer of protection for the boxer covers during any impacts. The guard is really lightweight, coming in at about 2.4 pounds, and it's going to ensure that your bike's performance remains unaffected while giving you that nice level of protection. It's got a really simple installation with 3 screws on each side to existing mounting points, and it's going to ensure a nice, secure, and hassle-free fit. Now these are compatible with additional Sw-Motech accessories such as engine guards and others to integrate with a nice filled design to give your bike that protected look. Now the guard's brushed and anodized finish is not only going to ensure durability, but also complements your bike's aesthetics with a sleek design. Each set includes both protectors on both sides of your bike to give you full coverage to your boxer engine. Now overall, if you want to protect your R1200, these cylinder guards are going to give you really great protection with a nice stylish design to be sure that your bike is prepared for any terrain. For any questions, you can call us at 786-242-5400. We've been doing this for over 25 years, so we're here to help. Like and subscribe to this video if you found any value. My name is Alex at Accessories International, and thanks for tuning in again.